Bani J, who has been in limelight for being one of the finalists in the high-voltage reality show Bigg Boss 10, is grabbing all the eyeballs once again. And this time because of her rumoured boyfriend Yuvraj Thakur. Yes, you heard that right. Recently, Bani's beau Yuvraj shared a poem on Instagram which seems to be dedicated to Bani. In the poem, he wrote that he has lost himself in someone while trying to seek himself. He concludes that if it was actually true love, there would have been no seeking. It seems that Mr Thakur had a heartbreak. Well, we wonder, is there actually a rift between the two, or he's just showing us his Shaayrana Andaaz? News Desk.